In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export with crop marks in Canva. This is a handy feature to know if you're preparing documents for professional printing, as crop marks help guide the trimming process to ensure your finished product is perfectly aligned. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, open up your Canva account and navigate to the project you want to export. Make sure you've completed all your design elements and everything looks just the way you want it. Once you're in your project, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Share button. Click on it. This will open up a menu with a variety of sharing options, but today we're focusing on downloading your design. After clicking Share, you'll see an option labeled Download. Click on Download to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll be presented with several file type choices. Since we're exporting a document with crop marks, you'll want to select PDF print from the list. This is crucial because the PDF print format is specifically designed for high-quality printing and includes options for crop marks and bleeds, which are essential for professional results. Once you've selected PDF print, you'll see an option that says crop marks and bleed. Check this box to ensure that your file will include these critical elements. Crop marks are the lines printed on the corners of your document that guide where the paper should be cut to achieve the desired size. Bleeds, on the other hand, are the areas that extend beyond the edges of your design, ensuring that no unprinted edges appear when the paper is trimmed. It's a small checkbox, but checking it makes a big difference in the final appearance of your printed work. Finally, after you've selected the PDF print and checked the crop marks and bleed box, you're ready to download your file. Click the Download button, and Canva will begin processing your request. Depending on the complexity and size of your design, this could take a few moments. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Canva design with crop marks. This ensures that when you send your document to a professional printer, it will be trimmed precisely as intended, giving you a polished and professional final product. Whether you're creating business cards, flyers, or any other printed material, using crop marks and bleed in your export settings is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!